Isaac here with FlexArm FlexCNC, and we have a great deal for you, probably. I know we're already a few days into the month, but we've had so many great ideas to choose from, and some that were just kind of meh, that we just couldn't make a decision on our own. So we put all of our great ideas onto a spinning wheel, and put that spinning wheel onto one of our glorious Blanchard steel top carts, and we'll just let fate decide. In order to qualify for this month's promotion, whatever it may be, you will need to make a purchase of a hydraulic tapping arm GH18 or higher. With that said, let's get to spinning. Spin again! Okay! Oh wow, up to 75% off our FlexArm carts. What a great deal. So now, through the end of March, if you buy a hydraulic tapping arm GH18 or higher, you will receive up to 75% off any of our carts or tables. Give us a call, 1-800-837-2503, and we'll get you hooked up.